In this video we are talking about the flash crash of Bitcoin. We are talking about why this crash happened, what will happen to crypto and Bitcoin in the next days and hours, and what I will do and what is my game plan for the next time. As you can see, the whole crypto market is looking red. Most of the altcoins are 10 or 15% down, and Bitcoin crashed from the top to the down about 10%. And a crash of 10% in 2 hours is very crazy. But what was the reason for the crash? As you can see, a company called MatrixPort released an article on the Bitcoin spot ETF, and they said in this article that the SEC will reject the Bitcoin spot ETF again. But just this company called MatrixPort released this article. I personally don't know MatrixPort, and most of the crypto influencers also don't know MatrixPort till now. And after this article got published and got shared on Twitter and the other social medias, then this crazy crash happened. So I personally think that this is not an official fact that the Bitcoin spot ETF get rejected. I personally think that it's not true, and I personally think that this move is just a move to liquidate many people who are in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin continued the bullish trend to the upside and many people bought Bitcoin right here in this range. And there were also many long positions with the leverage, and most of the stop loss orders are resting under this lows. And as you can see, after the crash happened, we moved to the downside. We moved again in this demand zone right here in the near of this range low, and then we also saw this move to the upside again. And as we are looking on the weekly chart, you can see that this daily crash doesn't seem a big crash in the weekly chart, and also on the daily chart it looks bullish till now for me, because we moved to the upside. We came in this range right here, and I was talking about this range in my free Telegram group where I share daily updates on the crypto market. So if you want to join my free Telegram group, then click on the link at the description. And as you can see, we tried to break out of this range, and many people tried to long the market after this breakout. So this was the perfect time to make this news. So the Bitcoin crashes to the downside and liquidate many people from the market. But what will be my game plan for the next time? So as I said, I personally don't think that the SEC will reject the Bitcoin spot ETF. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, because as you can see on the weekly chart, we are still looking very bullish. We just came into the supply zone, and the chance for rejection was there, because technically this supply zone is strong because we saw this move to the downside and lower lows. So the chance if Bitcoin comes into the supply zone is high that we see a reaction to the downside. And as you can see on the daily chart, we tapped into the supply zone and then saw this rejection. And even after this news, we still don't broke this range to the downside. And as long as we don't break this level to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices and continue the bullish trend. So I personally look for longs right in this area if we see a move again to the downside, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, or if we just move under this range low, take the liquidity right here, and then move directly to the upside, then I would also search for long entries right in this area, and then enter the trade and hodl it into the next highs. Just if we see bearish momentum to the downside with a daily or weekly body close under this range low, then I wouldn't search for long entries right here, and then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices for Bitcoin. So as I said, on the 4-hourly chart, it's not looking too bearish right now. We are still in this range. We came back into this demand zone, and we directly found support and moved to the upside again. So guys, don't panic right now. Don't panic sell right now, because I think the chance is high that the Matrix report article is not 100% correct, and that the SEC will not reject the Bitcoin spot ETF till now. So guys, thank you really much for watching. If you like this kind of quick updates, please write a comment. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.